day everyone. Finally I got this probably the coolest thing, the coolest gift for everyone who likes outside time spending and all these things. If you have some sort of country yard addiction activities addiction or something like that, that would be perfect for you, because that's a night vision goggles. First of all, please read the manual how to use it, because you have to right here you have to adjust spin right here, this like part of a goggle, to like kind of focus on the picture, so otherwise it will be blurry and all this. So just read it carefully. But anyways, the main point is 5000 ampere hour battery inside, which is really cool. So it will work for a while. And also 32, as far as I remember, 32 gigabytes of memory SD card. So right here you're inserting right here, so it's already inserted. So that's it. You can in the 4K you can record the videos, make photos and all this. That's a perfect gift, probably for every teenager or something like that, or even for adults, of course. So there's like some sort of a strap right here, so you can hang it on your neck. Inside there is also a power cord, and basically that's it. So this is the really cool way how to entertain yourself at the night time properly, and of course to observe animals and outside nature in a night time. So really cool. I really like the picture. I really like how it works. Nice again. So I really appreciate it, and I think you will definitely feel the same about these goggles.